much, my students.
Oh no! What?
Okay. Okay, to do vocal session with me, you have to be very, very strong and powerful. What we have to do now is learn how to do the vibrato. Ciao, my beautiful people. My name is Lucia Sinatra. I'm a singer, songwriter, performer, and vocal coach. And today we are here with Sara.
Hi!
She's my lovely student, and we are going to let you understand what we used to do during my lesson sessions. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Stronger. I need more energy from you. Okay, I am ready. Una nota dritta. Vai. Give me power in your hands. Okay, do you feel your body moving and shaking? We feel that the note is not, obviously, is not straight anymore. Well, it's not controlled, right? So we can shake the note, controlling this note. So, give me that up. Okay, just stay straight, please.
Okay.
Because you are doing like this, I don't like it like this, but I want you to be like a very strong woman, girl power. So, bye. Okay, now I need to have that very strong energy from you. Push again. Okay, now do it again. Focus your breath here, and you decide when the diaphragm will do the wave of the vibrato. Don't punch me anymore and try to do that note again, trying to move your diaphragm. Breathe again and go. Okay, now listen to yourself. You are doing right? This is a fake vibrato. But if you understand how to feel that sensation inside your body, you will be able to do it again. But you need practice. So let's practice. Are you ready? Practice. Okay, bye.
Right.
Try to do again. It's about a semitone. It's a large wave or a short wave, and you have to control the line of the vibrato perfectly. I will show you here what is the vibrato. You can control dynamics and vibrato however you want. Give me a lot of energy here in all your body, okay? All your body have to be strong. Just imagine a wave.
Okay.
Still keep trying. Do it. Bye, follow. Accelera, faster. everybody. If you do this
Why I cannot say that word?
if you do this exercise at home alone, and you will do it constantly and daily, you will find the right way to do the vibrato and you will control it. This is our goal. It's not your voice controlling yourself, but you control your voice. One more. You are capable. Close your eyes and do that vibrato. Okay. Okay, the shape of vibrato, but it's fine because it's something. But we have to reach each kind of vibrato. You have to do this vocal exercise daily, even when you go to the bed, even when you go to sleep, even when you go to eat, even when you go to pee. All the day long you have to do this, and once you did the vibrato, you have to call me because I have to record you. You also can do even wait in the autobus or going to school or just going everywhere, just walking. It's easier. Maybe because you feel the vibration here in your mouth. Relax the face. Okay. We can reach more than this. You got it. I am a singer, and actually my website is www.singerindubai.com. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.